a gas leak on the pool heater. We smelled gas as soon as we turned it on, so I sprayed our bubble solution on our gas line after the gas valve on the both sides of the 90 fitting, coming over to the union, both sides of the union, on the union, and then going into the gas valve. I turned the gas valve off, and then we were still getting the gas smell. So of course when I sprayed it, my sprayer broke, so I just poured it on, and I found it over here on this side like this. Turn my gas on, and you can see the bubbles coming out of it. So we are going to turn this off, disconnect here at the union, unthread this pipe here, put some new pipe dope here, tighten its black pipe back on, put the union back together, and then do our test again, and we should be good.